Welcome back to Cause 3D. Today, we're going to build some thermal detonators. Let's jump right in and get to it, shall we? All right, thanks for joining us today. Quick and easy build. Made about 5 of these. Used spastics, mirror chrome on the bodies of them. Put a little clear coat down before we put the spastics down, and they turned out really good actually. No electronics in them yet. I believe that left them hollowed, so we'll look at maybe adding electronics in the future. But make sure you go down, like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for joining in this video.